What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on your iPhone Air. First, if your Wi-Fi connection disconnects randomly, then make sure to toggle Wi-Fi off and on again in your control center. Swipe down from the top right of your screen and tap on the Wi-Fi icon to disable it. Tap on it again to enable Wi-Fi. This is a simple step but might solve your disconnect loop, especially when using a router with multiple repeaters. If the problem persists, open up your iPhone Air Settings app. Here, tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network name. From here, tap on Forget this network. You'll be required to use your Wi-Fi network password to reconnect to it, so make sure it's available to you. Reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network can often fix persistent Wi-Fi connection issues. Next, if you haven't restarted your router or iPhone in a long time, it might be time to do so. To restart your iPhone, head to the General section of your settings. Scroll all the way down and tap on Shutdown. Alternatively, you can turn off your iPhone from the top right of your control center. Next, wait a moment and hold the power button on the right side of your iPhone to turn it on again. While restarting your iPhone, unplug your router. Wait 30 seconds and plug it in again. This will in most cases help with your connection and should be done every couple of months. You can then try reconnecting to the problematic Wi-Fi network. You can make use of a network speed testing app such as Speedtest to verify your average up and download speed. Do multiple tests, one near the router and another where you're usually located, to see if there's a big difference in speed. If your network connection speed is slowing down significantly, then consider extending your connection or moving closer to the router. Next, make sure to disable your VPN, proxy and custom DNS temporarily. In your Settings app, head to the Wi-Fi section again. Tap on the eye icon of your preferred Wi-Fi connection and disable low data mode. Next, you should also disable Limit IP address tracking if you're using an enterprise or older router, as these don't play well with Apple's privacy features. You should also make sure that the Configure DNS setting is set to automatic and that your proxy connection is set to off. In case nothing helps you out, then consider resetting your network settings on your iPhone Air. Head back to your main settings and tap on General. From here, scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then Reset Network Settings. You'll be required to restart your iPhone again and re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords. This will clear saved Wi-Fi networks, VPN, APNs and so on. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.